You know, not too many albums turn platinum. It means 1 million or more albums sold. Just 2 days ago, they presented Lou Rawls with his platinum album, For All Things in Time. You know, besides me, it couldn't happen to a nicer guy. Ladies and gentlemen, my friend, Mr. Lou Rawls.
You'll never find, as long as you live, someone who loves you tender like I do. You'll never find, no matter where you search, someone who cares about you the way I do. Oh, I'm not bragging on myself, baby, but I'm the one who loves you, and there's no one else, no one else. You'll never find, it'll take the end of all time, someone to understand you the way I do. You'll never find the rhythm, the rhyme, all the magic we share, just us two. Another love like mine, someone who needs you like I do. You'll never see what you found in me. You'll keep searching and searching your whole life through.